Do you have a loved one who struggles with forgetfulness? Do you find yourself being awakened at 5 a.m. by a distraught parent, spouse, or friend who can't remember what doctor appointment she has that day? Do you leave sticky note reminders all around or write notes on a whiteboard, knowing that those notes will need to be updated in a matter of hours or a lot of anxiety will ensue? Imagine having an instant way to share information with your loved one that doesn't require multiple steps or complicated technology.
My name is Maureen Mueller, and I've been caring for people with dementia for over 16 years. I know firsthand how frustrating it can be to give a loved one information about an upcoming appointment only to have that information lost or forgotten. Let me introduce you to My CareClock.
With My CareClock, the information that you input is always there in plain view. You can also share access with other caregivers and family members, so all care partners will know who is coming when, which medications need to be taken on each day, which appointments are coming up, and more. You can even leave little love notes. The CareClock can be updated in real time, and it can all be done from an app on your phone, whether you are in the same room or across the country. After purchasing the CareClock, simply place it in a convenient location in your loved one's home, connect it to Wi-Fi, and leave it plugged in. A quick look at the CareClock will tell your loved one what time it is, what day of the week it is, what is happening today, who's coming, and even what the schedule is for tomorrow. At midnight each night, the information on the tomorrow screen automatically becomes today's screen. That means you don't have to run over to your loved one's house every time you need to update a whiteboard.
Caring for a loved one with dementia can be very challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Bring My CareClock onto your care team today.